What if you could live just a few minutes away from Orvieto's history, in a striking residence where every window opens on to the Umbrian countryside? It's here, between Orvieto and the quiet charm of Lake Bolsena, that Casale La Renara stands. Casale La Renara preserves the strength of Umbrian tradition: stone, terracotta arches, and solid spaces that give the property an immediate sense of identity. With over 600 square meters in total, Casale La Renara offers generous, well-arranged spaces designed to communicate with each other seamlessly. The property's restoration in 2025 has enhanced its identity. Join me as we discover the property. On the ground floor, the spacious and bright rooms are designed to be lived in with ease. The living room with dining area is the heart of the property, a warm and elegant space ideal for welcoming family and guests throughout the seasons. Here, the vaulted ceiling and terracotta arches tell the story of this home, bringing depth and character to the interiors. The kitchen retains a rustic yet refined charm, designed with warm materials, lived-in surfaces, and decorative details. A space designed for preparing, sharing, and experiencing the home with a slower, more authentic rhythm. On the same level, there is also one bedroom, 2 bathrooms, and technical rooms, ensuring practical and comfortable day-to-day use. The first floor can be accessed from 2 separate staircases, a private and spacious sleeping area designed to welcome guests with comfort and conviviality. The bedrooms reveal different atmospheres, some more classic and intimate, others brighter and softer, with gentle fabrics, natural colors, and carefully chosen details. With 7 bedrooms and 7 bathrooms, Casale La Renara is ideal for welcoming family and friends, offering privacy and exclusivity. This private sitting room offers the perfect atmosphere for reading your book in complete silence surrounded by nature. Outside, the property opens on to another dimension, a space designed for enjoying the countryside throughout the day. The loggia, the porch, and the shaded areas become natural places to pause, from breakfast outdoors to lunch with friends through the soft light of the sunset. The park completes this space with open views, ancient trees, and spaces designed for convivial living. The swimming pool, with its clean and panoramic line, becomes a place suspended between water, sky, and countryside. A space designed for experiencing summer with elegance, the silence around you, the ever-changing light, and the beautiful landscape in the background. Completing Casale La Renara are over 11 hectares of agricultural land, an annex with a cave, and an additional annex used for storage. Casale La Renara is a residence where the history of Orvieto, the charm of Lake Bolsena, and the surrounding countryside meet in a rare balance. Contact us today to discover Casale La Renara and arrange your private tour. Comment Orvieto to receive more information.